Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In the wake of the lockdown against the fight with COVID-19, our college, Pragati College of Education, is taking a great initiative to help and teach our trainee teachers through various modes. Hope this will help you all in your near future. Before starting my lecture, let me introduce myself. I am Nilima, Assistant Professor, Pragati College of Education, Salbari, Siliguri. So today we'll be learning about the topic Management and Record Maintenance, Course 9, 1.2.9. I repeat, Course 9, 1.2.9. The name of the course is Assessment for Learning, B.Ed second semester. And in this course we have two half, first half and second half, and I'll be dealing with second half, unit 3, that is management and record maintenance. So starting with this, I'll start my lecture with managing committee. So as we all are very much aware with this term managing committee, so managing committee, as we are engaged in educational field, managing committee plays a very vital role in educational institution as well as in organization. So school is a social organization, and in this organization or an institution, the management or the managing committee plays a very important role from all the aspects. So talking about our state, West Bengal. In West Bengal, the education minister is the main person who holds the highest designation, and together with the education minister, there is secretary, assistant secretary, and the school inspector, who all work together for the benefit of the school. Till 1961, all they were working together under the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education for the smooth running of the institution. But in the year 1981, the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education passed an act where they recommended that all the school of West Bengal should have managing committee. So according to the Act 1981, the management committee came to the school in West Bengal. So from there we can see the active participation of managing committee in an educational institution or an organization. So talking about the school of the West Bengal, we have like different type of school. For example, government school, government aided school, government sponsored school, and private or the self-finance school. So in this school, the managing committee is referred by different names. So for your understanding, I've made a diagram regarding this. So here is the diagram. So on my right hand side I have the school, and on my left hand side I have the name of the managing committee. So the first is the government school, the second is the government aided school, the third is the government sponsored school, and the fourth one is the private or the self-finance institution. So in government school, the management committee is regarded as or is referred as the governing body, whereas in government aided school, the management committee are referred as school managing committee, whereas in government sponsored school, it is itself called as managing committee. Whereas in private or self-finance institution, the management is referred as a board of directors or trust board or body. So from this diagram we come to the point that managing committee plays a vital role in the school or in an institution. So the management committee also consists of some of the members with whom they together run the institution. So among the members, the first is headed by the president, then we have the secretary, then we have the vice president, then we have the head of the institution, that is the principal, the headmaster or the headmistress, and along with the teachers. And in some school, the parents are also involved in the managing committee. They all together work for the betterment of a school or an institution. So now coming to the next is the function of the managing committee. So number one function of the managing committee is recruitment of teachers and non-teaching staff. And second is approval of leave and yearly holidays for teaching and non-teaching staff. Third is overall planning for the development of the institution. Fourth is preparation of annual report. Fifth is monitoring the financial transaction of the school. And this is the important function of the managing committee, because without a good finance, the institution cannot run properly. So the management has to play a vital role in finance. So the sixth point is termination letter for teaching and non-teaching staff if they are not satisfied by the work. And the next one is formation of different subcommittees for proper management. So these are some of the function of the managing committee. So together with this, the managing committee also appoints various subcommittees in an institution. And on the next video, we'll be talking about the committee for academic purpose. So how does the academic committee works in an institution? Thank you.